Hi. So today I'm going to be doing another taste test, and my last taste test, I tasted iced lemon cookies. They're really good. So today I'm going to be doing another taste test. It's Gatorade. It's the Glacier Freeze. I tasted Gatorade before, but I haven't tasted this kind. So I'm going to taste it. I'm going to see how it tastes, and then I'm going to rate it. So yeah, so let's taste it. It tastes pretty good. I feel like I've tasted it before, but not like in a Gatorade. But it's really good. Can't really describe it that much, but it tastes like it's like really refreshing. It tastes pretty good. And 1 out of 10, I'd give it a 9. Yeah. I'd buy it again. So yeah, it's really good. So that's it for today, and probably do another one, or I might do a different kind of video. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.